Hey guys, we've just got traded in some phenomenal Amiga games, including one of my favourites, Street Fighter 2, and the comic relief game, Sleepwalker, Mortal Kombat, WrestleMania. Oh, topical news of the day, Hulk Hogan has sued Gawker for $1 billion and succeeded. Indiana Jones, Shadow Warrior, Robocop 2, Batman, Lemmings 2, The Tribes, Space Ace, Oh No More Lemmings, Robocop 3, we've got Golden Axe, Ninja Warriors, Terminator 2, the arcade game, and Curse of Enchantia. So please like, share, my finger was in the way, and subscribe. Remember guys, keep it real.